let's make gnocchi in the air fryer. Y'all loved my sheet pan gnocchi, so I decided to see if I could roast gnocchi in the air fryer. And y'all, it comes out so deliciously in half the time. This dish has crisp, pillowy gnocchi with tender zucchini, and you toss it with this super savory, delicious red pepper pesto. If red pepper pesto isn't your jam, you can use regular pesto or red sauce or any other sauce you like on your air fryer gnocchi. You can make your own gnocchi if you like, but I'm using the shelf-stable pre-made kind to save some time. Add your gnocchi to a large bowl, along with some onion, zucchini, olive oil, salt and crushed red pepper, and then a generous sprinkle of vegan parmesan. I'm using the granulated kind of vegan parmesan, but you can also use the shreds if you prefer. Toss that together really well. Then transfer it to your air fryer basket and just spread it out so it's even. Now you're gonna air fry it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the gnocchi is nice and crisp on the outside. The gnocchi is gonna start to get crisp before it starts to brown too much, so don't just rely on sight to determine when it's done. You actually wanna touch it and see what it feels like. So just poke that gnocchi. Meanwhile, add all of the pesto ingredients to your food processor and run it until you have a nice even mixture that has the texture that you want. When the pesto and the gnocchi are ready, put them together in a big old bowl and then toss it to coat really well. If you don't want your gnocchi to be too saucy, you can also serve it and put the sauce on the side and let everyone sauce their plates to their preference. This is a super quick and easy weeknight dinner, and my kid absolutely loves it. He honestly throws like a parade when I tell him we're gonna have gnocchi. If you are making this for kids, you might wanna back off on or even like eliminate the crushed red pepper depending on your kid's spice tolerance. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this delicious gnocchi in the air fryer. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!